Currently we are at Tractor Machinery International in Singapore. So today we have something special here. We have Cox outboard, diesel outboard. I'm here with our friend Weta. How are you, Weta? And Serene. How are you, Serene?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah. So the engine looks very big in the stand. Okay. I guess this one is a 30.
Yes,
30
this is a 30-inch
length, yeah.
length, yeah. And we do have the 25-inch and the 35-inch
Okay.
as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe you want to tell me briefly about the engine
Okay,
itself.
this is a common rail engine, diesel outboard. It has a 4.4 liter
Okay.
cylinder and a V8 engines. It comes with twin turbo as well.
Twin turbo. Okay. Diesel engine is well known for the producing massive torque at very low RPM. So if you want to tell me what's the figures of?
Yeah. So we have two ranges, as you know, 300 and 350.
Yes, that's
so
right.
at 300 horsepower, it's actually producing 959 Newton meter
Woo.
at peak torque, as well
Okay.
as for the 350 horsepower is 1,552 Newton meter at peak torque.
Ooh,
Yes.
that's huge, that's huge. If you talking about petrol, maybe petrol with power rating of 450 or 600 will have this type of torque. Okay, talking about the we are talking about the fuel consumption. You want to let me know, Serene?
Yeah, sure. The fuel consumption for
Yeah.
diesel outboard is tremendous. It's from 70 to 75 liters per hour.
Oh, lesser than the
Depends on
petrol. I mean the petrol outboard for 300 horsepower rating is about 90 liter per hour. You guys doing lesser than that with
Yes.
massive torque. Wow, that's amazing. You should maybe look inside. Waiter, you want to elaborate
sure.
more?
How about we open up the
Yeah,
cowling so that
we
can have
open
a
up the
view
cover
inside?
and everything.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. We wait for them to open up.
Okay. So we have already opened up the cowling.
Hmm.
You can see the engine itself over here.
Very big, huh?
Yes. So let me bring you through
Okay.
the structure itself.
Okay.
So this is the engine designed by a UK company.
Okay, UK,
Cox
okay.
Powertrain. So this is a blank sheet design.
Okay.
And the concept is almost similar to a gasoline outboard with a vertical
Vertical.
engine
Okay,
with a driving shaft and
Okay.
a transmission.
okay.
So over here you can see we have a air filter
filter,
on this side.
yeah.
So actually there's two, one
Okay.
on the port and one on the starboard.
Twin turbo.
Yes, we have a twin turbo,
Yeah.
one on this side and one on the other side. So
Okay.
we also have the heat exchanger.
Okay.
Okay, so moving on.
Okay.
So down here is the ECM,
Yeah, the ECU lah, the
ECU.
brain lah.
Yeah, ECU, which is the brain of the engine that controls everything. We
Okay.
also have a filter,
Fuel filter.
fuel
Yeah.
filter before the fuel go into the engine for combustion.
Okay, okay. No spark plug, ah?
No, this is
Diesel,
engine,
no spark
so
plug.
So
Okay.
moving on, we have
Okay.
this dipstick, which is also the oil refilling point for
Okay.
the engine oil.
Okay.
So for the engine oil, we are actually using 10W40 spec, which is commonly found in the market.
Okay.
And also commonly used in any other diesel engines.
Okay, okay.
For the capacity wise, it's about 10.5 liter.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
That's nice. Okay. So draining is
Yes, this is the drain plug
Okay.
for the engine oil. So
Okay.
the interval maintenance is about 250 hours.
Okay, great,
Yes.
great. Okay, then this one is the other turbo,
Yes, correct.
the other intake filter. Do you
Yes.
have oil filter?
Yes. So actually, if you see from the inside, there's the oil filter. It may look compact, it may look very tight, the space, but
Okay.
actually for maintenance wise, it's very easy.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
okay,
correct.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah, one more point, Cap. If you
Yeah.
own a gasoline outboard, it's
Yeah.
the same maintenance as the diesel outboard.
yeah, I think also a bit the same. Only the engine oils and the gearbox oil.
Correct.
Yeah, I think not much different also.
Yes.
Correct.
So everybody is somebody is familiar with gasoline outboard will be familiar also with this diesel
Yes.
outboard
Correct.
also. Okay, great. This one is very exciting.
Mhm.
Do you guys have like a demo boat whereby you can board and feel the torque?
Yes, we do have the
water.
350 horsepower with
Oh.
twin installation.
The bigger brother?
Yes.
Okay.
We would like to
Maybe.
invite you for a ride next week.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Shall we?
Of course, next week then we make appointment
Yes,
to
please.
board the boat lah. That
Okay.
can have a feel of
Definitely, yeah.
the 350. Okay, so friends, this outboard looks very complex, but it is not. The design for maintenance is almost the same with the gasoline one, not that difficult. Okay, then the thing is getting more interesting. Next week we are going to have a sea trial for this bigger brother. This one is 300. We are going to sea trial for the 350 next week. So tell me your thoughts and opinion about diesel outboard, which is relatively new in the market. Okay. Would like to thank you, Mr. Waiter, and Serene.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time, and I guess we'll see you again, friends, next week on the next video.
Click
Bye.
here to like and click here to subscribe.
Thank you.